Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into Canva without email. To log into Canva without using your email, you can use one of the following alternative methods. So let's get started. First of all, launch Open Canva application on your device. When you see the sign up or login interface, select Continue with Google or Continue with Facebook option in order to log in without using your email. Simply go ahead and select the Google option in order to sign in with your Google account. Now click on the Continue button and enter your Google account's credential in the sign-in area for your chosen account. Follow through the instructions till the end. After you enter the credentials for your Google account, you will then be able to sign in to Canva with Google account, which means you didn't have to type in any email address for login in. Another way to log in without using your email is to log into Canva with Facebook. Whenever you open up your Canva application on your device and after you see this sign up or login interface, tap on Continue with Facebook option in order to sign in with Facebook. Similarly, you will now need to tap the Continue button and follow through the sign-in process to Facebook.com account. Enter your credential for your Facebook account, which will be your email address and then your password for Facebook. And once you have the credentials correct, you will then be able to log in with your Facebook account on Canva. If you use these methods, you won't need to provide your email address. Ensure that the account you choose to log in, which can be your Facebook account, Apple ID, or your Google account, has been previously connected to Canva. So that is how you easily log into Canva without using your email address. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.